Myself, Hetal Gajera from Vasistha Vidyalaya. I am teaching a computer subject in class 4th and 5th. Today I will teach you about the component of computer which is common for the class 4th and 5th. Before starting the topic, I hope you will remember our previous session in which we taught about the operating system. You also learned that how to create a folder, how to delete a folder and how to rename a folder, as well as you learn about how to change the taskbar, how to change the wallpaper and a screensaver. So now today I will start our topic with the component of the computer. Introduction to computer. A computer is an electronic device operating under the control of instructions stored in its memory that can accept data, means input, process the data according to specified rules, means whatever data you have taken on it, computer will do the processing, produce the information that will be your output, and store the information for the future use. Now, let's see the computer components. Any kind of computers consist of hardware and software. Means that your computer system is divided into two parts, hardware and software. Now let's see the computer hardware and software definition. Computer hardware is a collection of physical elements that constitute a computer system. Physical element means the elements which you can touch and feel. Computer software, also called software, is a set of instructions that tells the computer what to do or how to perform a task in a computer. Now, let's see in brief about computer hardware. Computer hardware is a collection of physical elements that constitute a computer system. Physical elements means that devices means the elements which you can touch and feel. Elements means devices, means whatever devices you can touch and feel, that all the devices are known as a computer hardware. Now let's see the few examples of hardware. For example, monitor, mouse, keyboard, computer storage data, computer drive disk means HDD, system unit means graphics card, sound card, memory card, motherboard and chips, etc. All of which are physical objects that can be touched. So given examples are the devices which you can touch. Now the next is computer hardware further classified into two parts. One is input device and second one is the output device. Now let's see the definition of input device. The device which provide data and information of the computer are called input devices. The devices tell the computer what work has to be done. Means that computer will take the information from the user using these devices. So now let's see the example of input devices are keyboard, mouse, touch screen, trackball, light pen, microphone, joystick, scanner. In all these devices, we have to give the using these devices, we will provide the input to the computer system. Next is definition of output device. We give data and instruction to the computer and computer process on it and gives us the result. This result is called output. Output is given with the help of output devices. Examples of output devices are monitor, printer and speaker. So the whole process is computer will take the input from the input devices using keyboard and mouse. Then CPU will process the data and at last CPU will pass that information to the output device and display the output on the monitor. The next is computer software. So the computer software, also known as a software, is a set of instructions that tell a computer what to do and how to perform a task in a computer. Software is a set of programs which is designed to perform a well-defined function to solve a particular task. The task like to make a document, to draw a picture, to do a calculation, we have to use some kinds of the software. There are two types of computer software. One is system software and the second one is the application software. Let's see the definition of system software and application software. System software is a software designed to provide a platform for other software. Means that using this software, you can run other software on it. Some examples of system softwares are operating system like Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Mac, Linux, etc. So using this all operating system, you can work other software on it. Now the next one is application software. Application software is a program or group of programs designed for a user. Means that using a application software, you can perform a particular task, like you can make the document, you can do the calculation, you can draw pictures. Now some examples of application software: Notepad, Wordpad, MS Paint, MS Word, Tux Paint, etc. So here Notepad, Wordpad and MS Word is used for the documentation. MS Paint and Tux Paint is used to draw a picture. Now last, we revise the component of the computers. Component of the computers are hardware and software. Hardware divided into two parts: input and output device, and software divided into two parts: application software and system software. Now students, the assignment for you, I have given a few questions that you have to solve. The questions are: explain component of computer. Second one is write few examples of computer hardware. Number 3, name the types of computer software. Number 4, write few examples of system software. And number 5, write few examples of application software. Thank you.